Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I decided that we're going to be doing a little weekend vlog for this YouTube video. So currently we are on the way to Cambridge, which is about 2.5 hours out of Auckland.
We're going to go camping on Lake Karapiro on my old farm I grew up on, and catch up with some old mates.
Maybe go kayak on a lake, explore.
Cool.
And then tomorrow we are picking up a puppy. Not my puppy, not our puppy, but Harry's parents' puppy. And it is the cutest thing ever, but that's all I'm going to say right now because you're going to die when you see it. Because I nearly died. Currently we are stuck in traffic because, well, Harry decided to take this route when I suggested the other one, but he knows best.
I do know best.
Once again, I am the best passenger princess on board. I've got my water bottle, I've got some coffee, which I spilled on my pants. I got Justin Bieber plugged into aux. It's a good time. My audio shut off here for some reason, but anyways, we were walking through the town of Cambridge. It's a cute little town, and then we got some sushi. Here in New Zealand, you can get sushi like this. You could literally pick whichever one you want. It's so different from what I'm used to, but it's honestly really cool. It was delicious, and then we went to Harry's friend's house where they had the cutest dogs. Look how cute they are. And then we headed to Harry's old farm that he grew up on.
Gonza Martinez.
Is it going on in here? Wait, so what's in this fridge?
So this is just covering the offal hole. The offal hole is where we put all like the dead remains of anything. We've got every possum, rabbit, goat, pig, sheep that's died on the farm in the last 15, 20 years. The remains are in there.
Or deep down underground?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So
Ooh, nasty. Going to grab some apples for the horses. Oh, there you go.
can I do it again?
Yeah. Lovely. How gorgeous is this? Hold up. Oh my god. I'll show you going on the dock. Let me see if I can flip the camera. There we go. Look how beautiful this lake is. Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy. Oh.
Gonza Martinez.
This is the best kind of service. This is pure happiness right now. Sunshine, a beautiful lake. my god, my hair is a mess. Ah! Anyways, we're gonna go and feed some of the animals on the farm. I don't think there's any cows here, but we'll probably go say hi to the pig and a couple horses. Hi! Oh, you pretty girl.
So he's doing that. Younger brother William, he's off to the mine.
Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? Should we go say hi to Boris? Boris! There you are, buddy. I was looking for you. Here, hold up. Here, you got this? There you go. Was that yummy? There you go, enjoy that. Oh, you want another one? Hey, finish what you have in your mouth first. That's my toes. Here. Here. Okay, so I've never tried a passion fruit before, and I just found some on the farm. Look how good they look. Okay, here we go. Oh, all right. So we just got home from dinner, had some lovely Thai, and now we're gonna sleep in the roof tent. Park up somewhere nice on the farm, and yeah, have a nice cozy night. Oh, I spy a Boris. Hi, buddy. Hi. What's going on? You hungry? Oh dear, Boris, I don't know if I have anything for you. Oh, buddy. Okay, I'll go get something for you. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, let's get him a passion fruit. These ones aren't really ready yet, but I'm sure he'll enjoy it. Okay, Boris, where are you? Here. You find it? You like it? Oh, yes. You've broken into the sweet nectar. Yummy boy. So this is the camp spot of the night. Gonna pop that tent up. Ooh, tent up. Hi. How beautiful. Look how calm the water is now. Wow. That's gorgeous. Whoosh. Okay, so how amazing is our campsite tonight? Oh, that's gorgeous. Good morning! Rise and shine. Just kidding, I'm not a morning person. It takes me a while to actually wake up. I woke up around, what, 7:38? And my boyfriend's filming me from the shed. How lovely. Get it, 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 get it. Alrighty, let's go feed the pig.
Boris, good morning.
Should we go ask
Hey,
Boris?
buddy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'll take him.
Okay, go take him.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, there's apples in the back that I need to grab. Where's the apples?
Up in the, still recording?
Yeah, you can turn the red. But that's all right. We can still record. So what do we have for Boris?
For Boris, we have some instant noodles, uncooked, and we got some apples off the trees up here. Tell you what, the apples on this farm, you won't get better. You won't get sweeter. Whisper. Here he is. Here he is. Hey, hang on. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. How you doing? Good morning to you too. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Oh no, I'll feed it to him by hand.
No, we'll go in.
Come on.
I thought he was gonna go.
No, he won't go. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Watch out for the. Now Sarah actually got zapped twice yesterday by the electric fences.
Hi, buddy.
Hey,
Are
bud.
you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, you want an apple?
Yum.
More. Wow, let's get you in focus. Interesting.
You sway back and forth to imitate a stick in the wind.
That's cool. He's acting like a stick.
I'm a stick.
Grabbed a nice iced coffee, nice vanilla latte to start the day. All right, love.
Fuck yeah.
Do you think that's enough?
So if you're gonna come to Cambridge,
Oh my god.
Kebabalicious.
What is
Place you wanna go? Big pitties. Under $20.
Sheesh. We are about 30 minutes away from picking up the puppy. I'm so excited. Any guesses to what puppy we're picking up? Put it in the comments right now. I'll give you a little hint. It's a small dog. I'm so excited. Look at it. It's gonna be in here on my lap. Cute. I can't wait. And I mean, I didn't name it. It's Harry's parents' puppy, obviously, so they named it. And they chose Winston. So it could be Winnie for short. I like the name Kevin. I think that's, and please don't steal that name because that's gonna be my next dog's name. How amazing would that be to have a dog named Kevin? Like, oh my god, what's your dog's name? Oh, it's Kevin. I just find it so
Gonza Martinez.